Sometimes in life, when there's signs of someone that needs you, you show up. Just show up. You never know what that other person is going through. Just show up. You okay, Papa? We, as people, grew up, well, our generation, how we grew up, we were taught to bury your feelings, hide yourself away, and just stay to yourself. I'm the epitome of that. But if you see sign of somebody that you care about, show up. Sometimes it means the world. And I wish I had that sometimes, but if I can be that person for someone, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. Today is a nice and sunny day. Well, this evening is a nice and sunny day. A little cold, but kindness matter. It's the signs for me. Yeah.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Vamos na coberta inglês. I'm in the wrong section.
Wow.
Why does I have to charge it?
Bruh.
It's joking. Sorry, ako. Oh, that's pork. Yeah. They don't have it.
You better not. I will find you. Oh crap, my car's running away. Grab the car.
Yep, that's me.
Guys, it's hours later. It's hours later. And got home, put the groceries away. Wait, I'm not gonna show y'all that again because no. Got the kiddos ready. Zane's winding down. He took a shower and everything. I'm trying to catch y'all up. Yeah, all of that's done. I cleaned up. I need to drink some tea.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you're from the islands, you know what this is. Some Lasco. Some nice warm Lasco. Strawberry to be exact. And I'm going to put some crackers in there. Not any old cracker. Some Jamaican crackers. Water crackers. And you put them in it. Comment below. Have you guys ever tried this? Yeah. But today was a good day. You know, when you feel something within your heart about someone you care about, and you just feel the need, or you just feel like they need you, go off of instinct. Like literally go off instinct, because you never know. You never know. Maybe it's a hug, and if you can't be there in person, it could be a phone call. You know, just show up. Just show up. You never know what that can do for a person. Yeah. I may not have like a lot for you guys, but today was a good day. Today was a good day. Yeah. Today's vlog is gonna be short, but we have an eventful next few days, and Christmas is like what, 12 days away? Is it? I think so. That is mistaken. 12 days away. Oh my god. But I've been so proud of myself. I'm 14 days in. I have not missed a day. Oh, hoot, hoot, hey. I'm so proud of myself. You guys don't understand. But yeah. I am about to go edit and make me some tea. Layla is up. She was studying because she has a test. Zane is winding down, watching his little show before he goes to bed. Jai is in his office. Aaliyah is in her bed. But
Bruh.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It wasn't as exciting as I did want, but why, Natasha, why? But yeah, I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow in a Vlogmas day 15. Yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.